So it's just been announced that Twitch has signed some kind of agreement with Warner Music, which is pretty huge for the platform, like pretty monumental. We're going to go over the email and talk about what this could mean for you as a Twitch streamer. Hey guys, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all the uploads here on this channel, and give me a thumbs up if you like this content, if you found it interesting or insightful or helpful. So yeah, we just had this email come through. It just hit my inbox, which is pretty exciting. It's pretty big news, and we know about Twitch's DMCA stuff, right? We all know that you can't play music that you do not have the rights to, because Twitch doesn't have those rights either, right? And you can get DMCA strikes, which is basically copyright strikes on your Twitch channel, and essentially you could get blocked from Twitch altogether. You could get banned from using the service. You could lose your Twitch partnership and your Twitch affiliation. So that's pretty big, right? And we know this generally, like across the board, like YouTube, for example, you're not able to use similar things, right? But people use things to get around it. Anyway, this email that's just dropped, it says, MileZee, last week we shared the news that we are implementing a new process for reporting the use of copyright music on Twitch that offers more flexibility and forgiveness than the existing required under the DMCA and similar global laws should copyrighted music inadvertently or incidentally make its way into a creator's stream. So basically what they're saying is there's a little bit more control in that you can get warnings if you are using music that you shouldn't do, etc, etc, etc. However, today we're excited to announce our partnership with Warner Music Group, and that they have joined the National Music Publishers Association to use this new process as well. Additionally, our new partnership with WMG brings various recording artists to Twitch and creates a standalone music space featuring premium music-centric programming. This marks our first partnership with a major record company, bringing the Twitch community new ways to interact with music-related content on the service and granting artists a more direct connection with fans. We still know there are questions around this new process, and we are looking forward to sharing more with you all shortly. Now, one thing I don't know about this whole thing, which has me kind of excited but kind of thinking it's not going to happen, there's going to be something where we're still not able to use it, but I was thinking, does this mean we can now use any music under Warner Music Group? Potentially. There might be a selection of music that we can use, similar way that we can do watch parties with Amazon, right, with Amazon Prime. I think that's what is going down to be, and we're gonna be able to use anything under Warner Music Group, which is very interesting. That'll be cool. It'll be cool to use music from that, because we'll be able to, you know, that Warner are huge, so that could be really, really interesting. Guys, let me know in the comments below, and I will cover more as it's announced. Guys, I'll see you all soon in the next one.
First, of course, is Mario, who will be played by Chris Pratt. He's so cool. Mario will be talking a lot in the movie. Please look forward to Mario as performed by the very talented Chris-san. Next, Princess Peach will be played by Anya Taylor-Joy. I can't wait to see